In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the new way to work with metadata that is introduced in React 19. So let's get started. Okay, so I've prepared a few tutorials. Okay, I'll get to all of these one by one, but right now we're going to be focusing on the metadata. Okay, so with this we can use the link, meta, and title tags and other such tags that would be in the head section. So I'm going to open up both of these. Okay, so as you can see in the previous version, we used to install a package called React Helmet, and then we ended up using this, a component that ended up taking all of our tags and putting them in the head section, okay, of our page. But if you see, it's taking a while to do this. So in the new way of doing this, if I refresh this, actually let me just close both of these and let me just open these both, right? So you will see this has kind of a problem. See, like when I came to the page, that's when it ended up triggering it. Okay, so there's a slight problem with this, not to say that this isn't a good way of still doing it, but in the new way it's just a better and easier way of doing it, and I'll show you why in the new way. And it's not that different. In the new way, you just add these tags into your page, okay? And by doing that, as soon as you add them into your component, these will automatically be detected and then be put into your head section. So this is the new way of doing metadata. You can add a title tag, a link, meta tag, which can be used for description and keywords and other things like that. So this is the previous way of doing it, importing React Helmet and then adding that here, but now you can just easily add them. That's the difference. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials on React 19, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.